Good morning, my name's Dave. I'm here at the Stafford branch for Burton Caravan Centre. Today I'm bringing you a lovely 8-foot wide 4-berth caravan. It is a Valet Pegasus Grande Rimini. So as I say, it is 8 foot wide, it's got that Grande in the name, and it's just got abundance of space. Starting off on this side, we've got a few extra features actually. We do have an outside shower unit, so you can actually wash down the dogs, or kids even, if they've got messy during the day. You've got access to your storage locker at the rear and at the front, and the front one that actually goes right through like a garage, which is really handy. And then you've got your gas storage locker as well, which has got room for 2 gas bottles. Starting off with the features, we've got ATC, which is always nice to have, just a peace of mind. We've got your external gas socket there, and I say access to your storage locker goes right through at the front, so nice and big there. Does come with an included motor mover, Powertouch Classic, and then you've also got your TV point and plug sockets at the rear as well. There we go, and that's your motor mover key. We've got the barnyard door again, great for dogs or kids to keep them in while still having a bit of a door open. Coming inside the caravan, it's a 2019 model, but again it doesn't feel it hardly been used, I think. You've got that G-shaped lounge, which is great. Again, access to the garage from the sofa as well, and then also just here. But the upholstery is absolutely spot on, no marks or anything like that, including all your worktop surfaces, including the table there. No delamination, no gouges in the wood, and that goes for the same for the kitchen, and same for behind me just here as well. One thing to note with this caravan, there is loads of storage. You've got lockers all around, all working perfectly, all the hinges and that work great. Storage underneath the kitchen area for all your pots and pans, and you've also got another storage cupboard here with lockers all the way around the caravan, so plenty of storage, with also a freestanding table tucked away just in that cupboard there. Stainless steel sink. You've got your 3 gas burner hob with electronic hot plate, grill and oven. Does come with the Truma iron ready heating system, so a bit like hot blown air, but then you can also blow cold air when it's hot as well. All the windows do have fly screens and blackout blinds, and yeah, so it's just a nice place to be. Dual powered fridge, electric and gas, world's shiniest microwave, and then we also do have the layout of the 2 fixed single beds, which seems to be really popular this summer. People are changing over to it because it thinks it gives them more room, sort of thing. Does also have a solar panel already installed, and as we come down again, all the condition of the wood, trim, everything is in good working order and no damage to it. Huge area around the toilet with a nice vanity area with more storage yet again. Nice big mirror with a wardrobe at the back here as well, and we've also got a nice big shower, which is nice not to feel cramped. So that is the Grande Rimini from 2019, on the market for £17,495. My name's Dave. Billy is also here. We're here 7 days a week, so any questions, please just give us a call or pop down. You can spend as much time in the caravans as you like to really get a feel for it. This particular caravan comes with a 6-month warranty. It'll be serviced and validated as well before handover, and then we'll also do our demonstration videos that we WhatsApp over to you, so you've got them for when you first get to site, so you can get to enjoying your new caravan much quicker than what you would normally. Any questions, just give us a call down at Stafford and we'll be happy to help. Cheers.